Good morning, children. Now there is some problem in the online classes. So therefore, now again we are starting the previous process, that is video recording, and we are uploading it into our school website. Yes, and up to potential difference we have done in online class. Now we are starting with the relation between potential difference or potential and electric intensity. Okay, also to show that the electric intensity is negative potential gradient. Okay, potential gradient is change in potential with the change in distance. Change with distance. That is, rate of change of potential with distance is known as potential gradient. For that, let us consider the electric field E along the x-axis. There is a point charge, it is creating electric field around it, and we are taking the direction of electric intensity along x-axis. Okay, say this is point charge plus Q, and we are taking this is along x-axis, direction of E. Here we are considering a point P, okay, where we have to find out the potential at P. Now here plus Q charge. Okay, now we are taking 2 points over here. 2 points, say it is A and this one is B. A and B. So distance of leave P, only A and B we are taking. Distance of, say, A is x and this one is x plus dx. Very small distance. Very small distance we are taking. And intensity, direction of intensity is in this direction. Now, here we are testing with the Q naught charge. And keep in mind, the Q naught charge will be taken so small that it will not disturb the electric field due to the source charge. This is source charge. Okay, it will not disturb the source charge. Now, potential at A, say it is V. Potential at B is, say it is potential at A, say VA equal to V, and we are taking VB is equal to V minus dV, because it will be less. From infinity we are bringing the charges. Okay, so therefore work done to bring up to B is less than work done to bring up to what? A. Yes, work done for bringing a unit positive charge or charge from infinity to B is always less than work done to bringing charge to A, because the distance of here distance is moving less, here distance we are moving more, so work done will be more, whatever. Okay, now a small positive test charge we are using for testing. Okay, now a small positive test charge Q naught is moved in the electric field from the point B to A. That means this Q naught charge we are moving from B to A. We are moving from B to A. So for that we will do some work done. We will do some work. If WAB is the work done, if WAB is in this way we are writing, WAB is the work done to move the charge Q0 from B to A against the electric field, because field due to plus QA is what? In this direction, and this Q0 will be repelled by that field or repelled by this charge. So against the force we are working. Now, so then according to the definition, WAB by Q0 is the potential difference, that is VA minus VB. VB is less, VA is more. Keep in mind. Now next, also work done to carry the test charge from B to A. Another way, work done to carry the test charge from B to A. Now we will apply here work done is equal to force into displacement. Force into displacement. So therefore here force acting on Q0 is how much? Force acting on Q0 is how much? Q into E, Q0 into E, charge into intensity. So therefore WAB is equal to Q0 into E is the force into displacement. Is it? Now we'll put this value here. This WAB will put here. Okay, so then what we'll get? Q0 E into AB by Q0 is equal to VA minus VB. So Q0 cancel. Q0 we can cancel. Okay, I am writing here. Q0 will be cancelled. Then E equal to how much? This to cancel. So therefore E is equal to VA minus VB by AB. VA minus VB by AB.